Mailchimp email template tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create beautiful templates using Mailchimp. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to have to do is sign up for Mailchimp. I have already done that. So you can sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can just sign up with your email. And this is going to be your basic dashboard. So you can create beautiful email templates, and then you can later on use them to create like email marketing campaigns on Mailchimp. So let's say if you have like a welcome email, you can create a standard welcome email, and then you can just send that to everyone that joins your mailing list or joins your website or whatever sign up that you have created. So to get started with creating our own email template, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the campaign section. So you're not actually going to go into the create section. You could do it from there, but it's a lot easier. If you go into the email campaigns, you're going to click on email templates over here. And once you click on email templates, you're just going to go on your top right over here. You have create template, and you're just going to click on that. And this will open up a variety of templates for you to choose from. So Mailchimp provides you with different templates that you can use to get started with your email template, and you can just customize those, or you can create your own custom template. So you can see that they also provide you simple layouts, so you can just use one of the layouts and fill out your information. You can create a simple text email template as well, and you also have your code version. So if you have any kind of code, HTML or zip file, you can import it over here and start using that to create your email template. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to show you how to continue with a themed email template. So it's really going to be a lot easier for you to actually, continue with email marketing if you just pick out one of these templates and customize it to fit your own business, because these are very well designed. They look very nice and they look very professional, and they will give your email a overall great look and appearance. That's why I do recommend that you do try out their templates. And if you don't like them, you can definitely go with the layout section and just use one of the layouts and then simply fill in your own information. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue with the themes. So I'm going to go into the themes over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the you can see there are a bunch of themes that are available now. I'm going to pick out a theme that I like. I think I want to go with the fall colors theme, and I'm just going to open this up, and now you can see that the template editor has been opened up. Now on my left side, I have the email template, and on the right, I have all of the editing tools. So I have different blocks in this template, and then I have the style. So if you want to change anything in the template, what you're just going to do is you're going to click on the item, and then this will open up on the right side of your screen. So on the right side, you're going to find all of the details for that item. So you can see this is an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it like so. So I can just click on here, and I can click on this delete icon, and I can just delete this like that. And now you can see this is like an empty content block. So you can see I have different content over here, and I can choose to drop these blocks. So maybe I want to create a button over there. So I can just drag that and drop it over here. And now I can create any kind of button. So this is a buy now button, but if I click on my right side, I can change that into any kind of a button I want. So I could make a welcome button, and then I can link it to like a welcome landing page as well. And I'm just going to click on save and close. Now for each item within your email, if you click on it, not only can you adjust the overall, buttons and links, but if you go into your style section, you can change the style of the item as well. So let's say we have rounded borders, so we can make it totally round. You can change the color as well. So you can see over here that you can change any kind of button, and you can change the style and color. So let's say I want to create this to a pink button, so I'm just going to take a pink color over here, and below that you also have the color of your background or your text, and you can change that as well. Then you have your spacing, font, sizing, and padding. So the padding is basically the distance between like the button and the text, so you can increase or decrease that as well. And once you have done all of your style changes, you're just going to click on save and close, and now you have a different kind of button. And when you're customizing your email, so let's say I want to just create a welcome email, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete these sections first, because I don't need excess text sections, and I don't need these buttons as well. So I'm just going to delete all of that, and I'm going to keep the new arrivals and updates collection. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this text over here. So I'm going to change this to say welcome. That's all I want. And I don't want the button actually, I just want it to remove this as well. And I'm going to clear this out, and I'm just going to use a simple pink color as the initial block. And now what I'm going to do in my header actually is I'm just going to click on here. I'm going to move this section down. I'm going to move this up to create like a more compact look to my email. I'm gonna make it a bit compact because I don't want it to be too spaced out. I'm gonna make it as compact as possible. And then on my header, I'm going to actually write a text block. And the text that I actually want is to be the company name. So I can write Jane Doe Inc. And I can just write a welcome email. Now, obviously, if you want to add more text, you can do that. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You're just going to add, this text block. You can drag and drop it and then add more text, or you can add box text if you want. You can add images, footers, codes, buttons, sharing links, image cards, image groups, and different dividers. So I'm going to add like a divider over here just to like give a more, interesting look. I'm going to move the divider down a bit, and I'm going to move the text block down as well, like this. It's like a lined text look, but it actually is a divider. And what I'm just going to do now is I'm going to save and close. I think I like this kind of look right now, so I'm just going to continue with this look because I find it to be pretty nice. I do like the overall vibe. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on preview and test. You're going to click on enter preview mode, and then you can preview how your email is going to look on desktop and mobile devices. So this is what your email template is going to look like. And once you have previewed, you're just going to click over here and save and exit at the bottom right over here, and you're going to name your template. So I'm just going to rename it to welcome sample. And once I have saved this template, I can really send it to or automate the entire process of a welcome email. So now I have this email template created for my business, and anytime someone signs up on my website, signs up on whatever form that I have, they will automatically get this email. So I can just click on over here, and you can create a campaign. So a campaign is going to be the process of automating the function of your email. So you can also preview it. You can later on replicate and change it as well if you want to make any changes to your template, and then start sending this out. So that is how easy it is to create email templates using Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp is available for free, but they do have their a lot of their templates are only available on the essentials version, which starts at $11, and they also have a standard version starting at $17, where you get more customer journey builders, custom branding, and on the $17 standard version you get custom templates as well. So if you want to simplify your process with a lot of customization within templates, then you can opt for the standard version starting at $17. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.